Before you buy an under-desk treadmill, there's one thing no product page tells you: most of them can't handle real daily use without breaking down or getting too loud. But the ones that do, they're total game changers. Let's talk about the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, KASSADIN Walking Pad with Handlebar. First up, the KASSADIN Walking Pad with Handlebar. This thing caught my eye because it's built like a tank, 36 pounds of carbon steel and plastic, rated for up to 350 pounds. It's not the cheapest, but it's positioned as a serious home use machine that doubles as both a walking pad and a full treadmill thanks to its removable handlebars. If you want something sturdy enough for daily walks and light jogs without taking up your whole room, this is worth a serious look. The 3 HP motor gives you speeds from 0.6 to 7.6 mph, which means you can go from slow desk walking to a decent jog. And here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in incline adds subtle resistance, so you're not just strolling, you're actually working your legs and glutes while typing emails. Plus, it runs under 45 dB, quieter than most office AC units, so you won't distract coworkers or wake up the baby. Over 10,000 people bought it last month, and the layered cushioning system really does reduce knee strain, something I noticed after just 20 minutes of use. Now, some people complained about the assembly instructions being confusing. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, dual-purpose machine that won't quit after 3 months. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or only plan to walk once in a while. It's built for consistency. Product number 2, Cyclic Club Bike Mat. Now, if KASSADIN's treadmill seems great but you're worried about your floors, this next one takes a completely different approach. It's not a treadmill at all, but a must-have accessory. The Cyclic Club Bike Mat is a 30x60 PVC protector designed for treadmills, bikes, and ellipticals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's 6 thick, 50% thicker than standard mats, and fully sealed against moisture. That means no more sticky residue or warped floorboards after months of use. It's also non-slip on both sides, so your underdesk treadmill won't slide around during intense sessions. Over 4,000 people bought it last month, mostly to pair with compact equipment like walking pads. Some users mentioned a slight chemical smell at first. Here's the thing though, it fades in a few days, and the protection it offers far outweighs that temporary issue. This is perfect for you if you've invested in any small fitness gear and care about keeping your floors intact. Skip this one only if you already have a high-quality mat or are using your equipment on carpet with a rug underneath. Product number 3, QBIJR1 Underdesk Elliptical. Alright, that was a solid option for floor protection. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for low-impact movement without standing. The QBIJR1 is a seated elliptical. Think of it as a pedal exerciser that fits under your desk. At $231, it's pricier than basic pedals, but it's ergonomic, smooth, and built for long hours of use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It lets you burn calories and improve circulation while working, reading, or watching TV. No need to stand or break a sweat. The built-in LCD tracks calories, strides, and distance, and you can sync it with the QBI app for progress logging. It's especially great for seniors or anyone rehabbing an injury. Over 1,000 units sold last month, and users love how quiet and compact it is. Now, some people complain that the resistance isn't adjustable via the app, only manually. Here's the thing though, for underdesk use, you're not looking for intense workouts, just consistent movement. This is perfect for you if you want to stay active while seated and prefer something smoother than a bike pedal. Skip this one if you need high resistance or want to stand while exercising. Product number 4, GEONEO Electric Underdesk Elliptical. Now, if QBI's manual resistance feels limiting, this next one takes a completely different approach with motorized control. The GEONEO Electric Elliptical is a compact, remote-controlled pedal machine that runs on electricity and offers 12 speed levels plus 3 auto modes. At just $89.84, it's surprisingly affordable for what it does. It's ideal for seniors or office workers who want effortless movement with real tracking via the LCD display. The silent operation means you can use it during calls or late-night work without noise. It supports up to 66 pounds, so it's best for lighter users. Some buyers noted the stride length is only 7 inches, which feels short for taller people. Here's the thing though, for underdesk use, you're not running marathons, you're keeping blood flowing. This is perfect for you if you want hands-free control and gentle, consistent motion. Skip this one if you're over 66 pounds or need a longer stride for comfort. Product number 5, UREVO Foldable Treadmill Mat. Finally, if you're investing in any underdesk treadmill or machine, this UREVO foldable mat is the unsung hero. At $46.20, it's a 63x26 PVC protector that folds down to just 15, 8x12, 85% smaller, making it perfect for small spaces. It's also anti-slip and works with treadmills, bikes, and even yoga. Over 800 people bought it last month, often as an add-on. Some users said it's a bit thin for heavy equipment. Here's the thing though, for underdesk treadmills under 100 pounds, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want portable, multi-use protection that disappears when not in use. Skip this one only if you're using industrial-grade gear. It's built for home fitness. So which one's right for you? If you want a real treadmill that walks and jogs, go KASSADIN. Need floor protection? Cyclic Club or UREVO mats have you covered. Prefer seated exercise? QBIJR1 is smooth and app-ready, while GEONEO offers remote-controlled ease. Each solves a different piece of the puzzle, pick based on your space, budget, and how you actually move.